Hi, this is Asin. Today I'd like to share how to create an animated bar chart. I have a series of different products recorded over a period of more than 10 years. I wish to display the sales across the years by using a bar chart. I have used the index and the match functions in Excel to show the respective match values to be displayed on the chart. What I need to do is just change the year number to show the correct sales amount for the respective year. How if I want the sales to be displayed across the years automatically, and so for the title. So what I need to do here is just create a command button, and everything we just use the VB code to execute. Let's try. So first we create a command button. So we can give some design to this command button. For example, we can rename. So we can use, look for the caption. We can write the word play. So whenever I click the command button, we should run the graph automatically. Of course, we can change the font and the color of the background according to our preference. So maybe like we make it bold and then the size is 20. So we can enlarge, or we can use the auto fit. Auto size, make it true. So according to the size that we have, then we make it false. So for the back color, so we can change to the color that we like. So what we have to do here is double click so that we can go to the Visual Basic. Then we just have to type the code in it. So what we have to do here is altogether we have 21 years. So we can use a for loop. So for I equal to 1 to 21, altogether 21 years. So what we need is just change the number, the year number. So this is in the cell column 2, row number 1. So we write sheet 1 dot cells 1 2, then equal to, we start from year 2000, so meaning to say we have to take 1999, so plus I, then we'll start from there 2000. Then what we have to do, remember we have to change the year number, every time the year change. So this one we have to make sure when we click on the chart, we have to make sure the number, the name here that we use is matched with the code that we type, or else the code cannot be executed. So first we have to select the chart. So sheet 1 dot chart objects. What is the object? Means that the name of the chart. So we have chart 1, then dot activate. Once it's activated, remember we have to select the active chart, then we change the title. So the chart title. What should be the chart title? We have to use the text to display. So equal to sales for the year. What is the year? Remember to leave a space so that it will be nice. So 1999 plus I. So for the year starting from 2000. Of course, if let's say we want to display the chart like according to descending order, means that the largest sales amount will be on the top and the lowest sales amount will be at the bottom. So what we have to do, of course, we need to sort the data. So sheet 1 dot range. We will select the range from A to to be 12. So we have A2. We type A2. So remember to put the parentheses. So A2 B12 dot. Okay, we short. Okay, what we need to short? We have to short. Okay, we use key. What is key? Means that which column should we short. So key 1 is equal to the range B2. So we will short for this column. Then in what order? So the order 1. Okay, so this order, whether we want to make it ascending order or descending order, have to depends on our preference. So if let's say we want to make it from the highest to the lowest, then this one should be arranged in the opposite order. It means that highest to lowest is descending, then here should be ascending. If here ascending, here should be descending. So if let's say we want descending order here, so I will choose for ascending order. So I will type XL equal to ascending order. Then next, of course, we need to tell whether we have header or not. So header we have here. We included, okay, when we select. So make sure we type yes, or else this will be shorted as well. So next, okay, after that, if let's say, as we can see, if we select the chart, here will be the range will be selected as well. So this line is not that good, so I will every time after selected, then I will back to the cell row 1 column 1. So it means that I won't select the chart anymore. So I will type here sheet 1 dot cells. Okay, 1 the first column, first row dot select. Okay, so of course, if we want the code to be paused for a while, of course we can have the application dot wait. So we wait for 1 second so that user can have some time to read the graph, or we can change the time needed according to our own preference. So let's try for 1 second first. So AM. Okay, this will be 1 second. Remember, we start from I for I1. So of course, when we've done the first I, we have to go to the next I. Okay, let's try. Okay, we're back to Excel fail. Remember, before we execute the code, we unclick the design mode. So now we try. So when we press play, as we can see, the graph is moving. So if let's say we want the graph to be like slower or faster, we can actually change the time needed respectively. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.